Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. Hello. I'm here with Noortje because today we want to start opening our advent calendars. It's the 1st of December when I'm filming this. Duh. But I'm gonna show you what kind of advent calendar I have. So first off, I have this one. It's a Milka calendar with chocolate, and this is the best chocolate, guys. Milka chocolate is so nice. So I bought one of these for myself, one for my daughter and one for Tim, and Johnny just doesn't like stuff like this, so more for us. Yeah. So I bought this one, but I also wanted one with a toy or something in it, so I thought, oh well, why not have two calendars? So hello pussycat.
Hello Pookie.
Hello pussycat. Do you want something from the advent calendar as well? Okay, I was distracted by a little cat. Where was I? Okay, I started searching on the internet and I just couldn't find anything. I even looked through all of the German advent calendars, and they do have a lot on Amazon. It just wasn't nothing I really liked. I did like the Lego ones, but what do you do with Lego once you opened it? And there was a Harry Potter one I liked, but oh well, it was over €100, so nope. So, well, I thought a Milka calendar is nice as well. Then my friend Laura, distracted by the kitten again. Anyway, she found this one. She said there is one with stamps in it. It is by Studio Light, art by Marlene. It says over here. And yeah, so I had to buy it, of course, because now I have one with, well, it's not really toys, but it's stamps, even better. It's so dark you don't even see it. So I've got two calendars. Yes, that's nice, right?
Yes.
Yes, but then I saw this one. This is a huge one. It's by Cats on Apple Trees.
A light?
Ah, a light. And you know how I like cats on apple trees. I made a video with the circles a few weeks ago with little cats on apple trees stamps, and they're so cute. So my husband said, you know what, you can have half of this, because it was quite expensive. But okay. Anyway, so now I have 3. Yay!
And then I went on the internet and I found...
That's the wrong side.
That's the wrong side. I found this.
Oh boy, and you look, there is Alice in here.
Yeah.
Now I know there are some of them in here that are exactly the same as last year and the year before. So I thought, let's not buy this, but then I saw Alice and it's so cute.
And I found the coupon, so it was on sale.
It was on sale, so we had no choice.
But my package is lost in the mail, so I don't even have mine.
No,
It's
4. But we can open this together this week, because Noortje is staying here for a week. And then we open this together, and then by that time she'll have her own. So she can open my advent calendar, but she can't get the stuff because it's mine.
Me.
So I wanted one. Wait a minute. I need to stand up for this. So I bought just one, and I wanted one with toys, and I ended up with 4 of them. It's gonna be so much fun every day. Opening this one first. And then have a chocolate in my mouth and enjoying that and opening the rest.
Yay!
So, let's open them. Where's number 1?
Here it is.
Wow. Well, that's simple. Number 1. What's in here? What's in here? I love this. Ooh, it's a
Pear?
pear? Mouse?
And the partridge in the pear tree.
Or is it a penguin? What is it?
What are you?
A pear. It's a pear. Okay.
That's weird.
Now you can eat it. And now we have to wait a whole day for the next one. No.
They're tasty.
They're tasty. So, oh no, that one's yours. This one is mine. I'm gonna put mine over here. That's
My
mine.
chocolates are better.
So what's next?
This one.
This one. Okay. Okay. You film.
Oh yes. Oh wow. Glad I got that on camera.
Oi. It's got a flamingo. A Christmas flamingo. It looks really nice.
Yes.
Whoa, 25 is big. It's such a little stamp in there. Well, it's not difficult to find the ones, the numbers. Number 1.
Where's one? Where's one? Where's one?
It's a little stamp. Oh, they're even, I thought it would be clear stamps, but they are cling stamps. This is really nice.
Ooh.
I like stuff like this.
Yes.
Well, I can use this in my December diary.
How do you stamp with these though? Like, just like that?
Don't you know?
No.
Oh God, you put it on a block, acrylic block, just like clear stamps.
Oh.
Oh, I like it. I love this one.
Cool.
It's cool. Well, that
Cool,
was
cool,
fun.
cool.
Cool. So, see you tomorrow. What will be in here? Okay. Number 2. Let's do another stamp. Oh, this one is difficult. Where's number 1? 18, 9,
Oh, some of them
2,
are really hard to see.
21.
It's actually just the first one.
I didn't expect that. So, how do I open it like this? It's not easy opening an advent
It
calendar.
is if you have nails.
Do I open... How do you open this? Noortje and I. Oh, this one can't be opened. Sorry.
Oh, the...
Yeah, it's stuck.
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. Wow, it's a whole thing for this little thing.
What is it?
It's a chameleon.
It's Pascal.
Pascal.
Cute.
Look at it. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. You can see it in here.
Oh, that's cute.
That's cute, right? I've got 2 stamps. I need to use this in my daily December journal. It's gonna be fun. I mean, how are you gonna combine these two? Well, I'm just gonna stamp this and put a chameleon on top.
Yeah.
Red or green, because it's a Christmas chameleon.
Yeah.
Yay!
Look at the Christmas decorations, by the way. Wow.
Amazing, right? We're gonna do that today. And now for this one. Let me open it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, cute.
You can put them on here. Now I wanted to put these on the pile of boxes that I have. And put the figurines on here.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be where the kitty sleeps. So
Oh.
I'm not sure if the
Yeah,
figurines will stay.
that might not be a smart idea.
Nice, right?
Yes.
Okay. You want to open number 1?
Yes, please.
Okay.
What's in it? What's in it? I don't know.
Oh, come on.
It's a snowman.
That's it. No picture?
No picture.
Oh. Look at Noortje's sweatshirt, by the way. What does
Cutest
it?
Christmas ever.
Okay. What is it? What is it? What is it? Open it. Open it.
I think it's
Is it-
Belle.
How do you know?
Because I see something
Bell-like.
Belle-like. Yes, I know my Belle everywhere. Oh, she's sparkly.
Sparkly. Oh, that's nice. Because some of them, like I said, will be the same as last year and the year before. But this one is sparkly.
That's cute.
It's too sparkly. It doesn't want to focus. Oh, so cute. And so tiny. It's so pretty. And it's mine.
No.
Sorry, honey. Aww. It's mine. Nah, Noortje's gonna get hers next week. But she can, and then you can open them all.
Yeah,
And you will know what's inside. So I've got Belle, and I can put her behind the fence.
No.
Isn't it awesome?
You need to put her
Yeah.
there.
Okay.
That's a big fence, by the way.
So it's really nice to put them over here. So I need to find a spot where the kitten won't do that.
Or eat them.
Okay, so first day of Advent calendars. This is my loot. I've got a chocolate that's already eaten. I've got a really nice background stamp. I've got a chameleon stamp that you can't see. Little chameleon. And I've got a bell. It's awesome. Yay!
Well, that was day 1 of the Advent calendar.
Day 1 of the Advent calendars. I'm not gonna show you every day, but in a few days we'll be back and we'll show you all the nice presents we have. Yes!
But not the chocolate.
But not the chocolates.
They'll be eaten.
That'll be gross.
Ew.
Okay, hey, that's not Christmas Stitch. That's Christmas Stitch. So Stitch, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you next time. Bye.